This is a common way to cover the strips, the cracks on the drywall. This is called a batten strip, and they staple it on. Now, if you want to get rid of that funny look that makes it look less like a house, is you would if you have it painted a bunch, you're going to want to take a razor knife, cut both sides. Otherwise, it'll peel back the paint quite a ways. Just take a pry bar, pull it off, and then just run your hammer. And when you feel that bump, hammer it down. Then you'll drywall finish it, and I'll show you that here in just a second. But that's what you do.